Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to Artistic Intention Studios. So, I'm all set up, ready for the studio tour. We have a group of 8 artists that we have an annual fall art tour. So, here I've got my jewelry set up over here in this section. Some earrings and necklaces and rings and stuff. Got a nice little food table set up over here, some snacks and beverages. I've just got paintings just scattered around. This is my table that I use to do my filming. It's my latest painting with some jewelry on top of it. Yeah, and I got all my paintings hung up. And then more on that shelf over there. Lots of stuff. Yeah. So, here's the studio. I thought you guys might want to check it out. Let's see what there's my little heater. It is all the way up to 58 in here. It's a heat wave. Yeah. So, this is my studio. All ready for people to come and buy up all my stuff and enjoy some snacks and beverages. So, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this little insight to my studio. There's a really cool painting back there. Yeah. So thumbs up if you like it, share. Put your comments down below, it'd be great. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, guys, take care. Have a great day. We'll see you again real soon. Till next time, guys.